Want to build strength, tone your muscles, and get in the best shape of your life without stepping into a gym? This 30-day dumbbell workout challenge is designed just for you. Whether you're a beginner or getting back into fitness, I'll guide you step by step. Grab your dumbbells, clear some space, and let's get started. So here's how the challenge works. Each day, you'll complete a simple full-body dumbbell workout in just 15 to 20 minutes. The goal? Progressively challenge your muscles, build endurance, and improve your strength. We'll focus on upper body, lower body, and core, making sure you're getting a balanced workout. Here are some of the foundational moves you'll be doing. You'll start light, then increase reps or weights as you progress. Dumbbell squat press, bend over dumbbell rows, dumbbell deadlifts, dumbbell curl to press, Russian twists. These are just a few moves you'll cycle through in different variations over the 30 days. Start with 3 rounds of 10 to 12 reps each, and as you get stronger, increase to 4 to 5 rounds. By the end of 30 days, you'll notice the difference, not just in how you look, but in how you feel. Stronger, more energized, and more confident. Are you ready to transform your body? Start the 30-day dumbbell challenge today, and let me know in the comments how you're feeling after day 1. Hit the like button if you're in, subscribe for more workouts, and share this with a friend who needs motivation. Let's do this together.